Serious allegations have surfaced regarding an open gambling racket operating within a local fair on the grounds of Uttar Sonaichari Shaturaghan Para Senior Basic School. The fair, which commenced on Thursday afternoon, has reportedly drawn large crowds. According to local residents, as dusk falls, the school premises transform into an active hub for Jandi Munda, a popular dice-based gambling game. The community has expressed deep resentment over illegal activities taking place inside an educational institution, noting that it disrupts the local environment. Bureau report ini korang.